New arrival, 74 plate Land Rover Defender, 3 litre, D250, hard top commercial, great styling. It's the pricing with this car, £54,990 plus VAT. The styling's superb, so you've got pod light, black exterior pack, wide arches, urban styling, urban badges. It's got beautiful rear spoiler. It's all colour coded in black, which works really well with the black. 3 litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower, over 20 months Land Rover warranty and assist. 22-inch wheels, again, look and set the car off fantastically well. Wide arches, you've got mud flaps, side steps, contrast of a black roof. And then inside, you've got the jump seat, so we've got 3 seats. You've got the largest screen, 11.4-inch screen. You've got heated seats, adaptive cruise control, digital dashboard as well, things like surround camera. If you're not using the jump seat, it drops down into a centre armrest, which I'll show you later in the video. Into the rear, gloss black wide arches, tinted rear lights, rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, and then in here, you've got all your load space with it being a hard top. It's VAT qualified, you can put it through your business. They're very, very desirable, these cars now, because obviously pickup trucks are finished as commercial vehicles, so your really only options are, it's limited. But Defenders, they drive well, they look good, and they've got all them benefits. As you sit inside as well, again, lovely seating position, adaptive cruise control, the larger screen as I've mentioned. I'll just show you a couple of features on here. The camera system is absolutely superb, as you can see. You've then got wireless Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, multimedia, digital dash in front. Car's done 16,000 miles. The condition is beautiful. And it's really good pricing at the price, £54,990 plus VAT. My name and number's on the screen if you want to contact me. Thank you for watching.